21-day smoothie diet. Smoothie consumption is an example of a dietary practice you can adopt. These drinks can be made with healthy ingredients, making them excellent healthy beverage options. Several smoothie diet plans, including the 21-day smoothie diet plan, have been developed. This diet plan is worth considering for weight loss and other potential advantages. This could explain why so many people adhere to the 21-day green smoothie diet or smoothie detox diet plan. The 21-day smoothie diet plan is perfect if you are planning to lose weight. It is also perfect if you are trying to make healthy dietary changes. The smoothie diet is frequently confused with the liquid diet by the general public. These are actually two distinct ideas. To begin, the smoothie diet includes smoothies made with healthy ingredients such as vegetables and fruits. You do not stop eating during this diet plan. Instead, you only replace 1 or 2 meals per day with smoothies. A liquid diet, on the other hand, only consumes liquid calories. Most liquid diets allow you to replace all of your meals and snacks with vegetable or fruit juices and shakes. Understanding the distinction is critical because it allows you to avoid confusing the two concepts as you begin the smoothie diet plan. Why follow a 21-day smoothie diet plan? Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, it increases your nutrient intake. Smoothies are made with nutritious ingredients from all food groups. Whole fruits, starchy vegetables, leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables, and fat-free or low-fat dairy products are examples. Each of these foods contains a unique set of nutrients. Fortunately, combining all of these food groups in one drink increases your nutrient intake. Number 2, it leads to weight loss. Weight loss is primarily determined by calorie restriction. This is due to your body burning more calories than you consume. Smoothies, particularly protein shakes, aid in weight loss by lowering the number of calories consumed per day. The smoothie diet aims to replace 1 or 2 of your meals in order to help you limit your daily calorie intake. This is why each of your smoothie recipes limits you to different serving sizes. This is due to the fact that each serving contains a specific number of calories. If you consume more than the recommended servings, you risk gaining weight due to a calorie surplus. Number 3. It may kickstart your healthy eating patterns. Healthy eating and lifestyle changes are required for healthy living. Most people struggle with incorporating healthy dietary practices because they try to do so all at once. This can be overwhelming, and as a result, most people face numerous challenges when it comes to healthy eating habits. The truth is that you only need to start small and work your way up the ladder. Begin with simple changes like the smoothie diet. It can help you eat more nutritious foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. With time, you can incorporate other healthy eating habits, such as limiting your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates. The bottom line. The 21-day smoothie diet plan calls for you to drink smoothies in addition to your meals. In this diet plan, you can replace 1 or 2 meals a day with smoothies for a limited time. Smoothies should not be used to replace all meals because you may suffer from nutritional deficiencies. This diet plan can help you increase your intake of nutrients, fruits, and vegetables. It can also help you lose weight if you stick to the recommended smoothie servings. Please keep in mind that it may cause high blood sugar and a calorie surplus, as well as not providing all of the nutrients your body requires. Remember to only follow or begin this diet plan after consulting with a doctor. Click the link in the description for $10 off today. Now check out this testimonial from Amanda.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the smoothie diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included. Recipes are included. And all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something. Thanks and good luck.